friend, can you guess where the homes of animals are located? Duck. The duck lives in the pond ant. Ant. The ant lives in the anthill. Dog. The dog lives in the kennel. Cow. The cow lives in the shed. Monkey. The monkey lives in the tree. Bird. The bird lives in the nest. Horse. The horse lives in the stable. Mouse. The mouse lives in the hole. Bee. The bee lives in the beehive. Spider. The spider lives in the web. Chicken. The chicken lives in the coop. Tiger. The tiger lives in the den. Lion. Lions also live in dens. Bear. The bear lives in the cave. Rabbit. The rabbit lives in the burrow. Elephant. The elephant lives in the forest. Fish. The fish lives underwater. Camel. The camel lives in the desert. Pig. The pig lives in the sty. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in the swamp. Penguin. The penguin lives in burrows. Sheep. The sheep lives in the pen. Snake. The snake lives in the hole. Snail. The snail lives in its shell. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.